Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool knife part #WPW10408733. The Whirlpool knife part #WPW10408733 is a replacement part for Whirlpool dishwashers. It is a stainless steel knife that fits into the lower rack of the dishwasher and helps to scrape off food particles from dishes and utensils. The knife is designed to be durable and long-lasting, with a sharp edge that can easily cut through tough food particles. It also features a non-slip handle for easy gripping and maneuvering. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool dishwashers, including models DU1055XTPQ0, DU1055XTPQ1, DU1055XTPQ2, DU1055XTPQ3, DU1055XTPQ4. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement knife for a Whirlpool food processor. It does not fix any symptoms, but it can be used to replace a worn or damaged knife. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws from the back of the Whirlpool knife part #WPW10408733. 3. Lift off the top cover and remove any packing material that may be inside. 4. Place the Whirlpool knife part #WPW10408733 on a flat, level surface and secure it with screws to ensure it is stable and secure. 5. Plug in the power cord to a wall outlet and turn on the power switch located on the back of the unit. 6. Follow all instructions provided in your user manual for proper use and maintenance of your Whirlpool knife par. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.